So, tapos na guys yung mas pupunta na tayo ngayon sa Walmart or Dollarama para bumili ng what do you want, Ella? Kinder Joy daw. Pagbigyan na natin si Ella Banela. Oh, you say hi.
Hi.
Here, look at here.
Hi. What's that?
Yeah. So, ayan, ka-dreamers. Uy, Kaden. How was the church? Good? Ay! Ang kukulit ninyo. Tanong ng tanong kung is it done, no? Kakaloka. So, tapos na tayo. Pupunta lang tayo. Kukunin yung ilalagay namin dun sa ano. Anong tawag dito? Yung
Debit something.
Oo. Saka kami pupunta ng Walmart or Dollarama para magano. Ang ganda ng sky ngayon. Ito yung Sunday. May pasok na naman ako bukas. Tapos bukas, dire-diretso na pala. Ikaw ilang pang anong pasok mo? 3 araw pa. Parang ayaw ni Daryl pumasok. 3 araw pa. Nice. Ano kaya to? Bago yan, no? Tayo na naman sila ng building dito. Lasok na.
Huh? Oh, not the clothes.
That's okay. So we can give it to other kids.
No. I don't want to give it to other kids.
Why?
Because if we don't have any clothes.
You have lots of clothes, anak. Puno.
Sira yung ano.
Ah.
Lagyan ng ano.
Nako, nabutas na. Dun sa kabila. It was broken.
Parang merong ganun ng ano. Yung pintuan dun sa kabila. Sumasabi.
Iyak pa si Kaden eh. Not daw yung clothes niya.
Haha.
Hmm? Ha ha ha.
No, you know.
Ayaw tuloy.
Said they do other kids.
Madami pa Kaden lalagyanan. Ha 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 ha. So that you can use your other clothes too as well. You have lots of clothes.
Why do we need to give it to other kids?
Because they don't have clothes, anak.
What?
Yeah?
We won't give them.
Why?
We don't give them. We'll have to work for having the most clothes.
No.
We have to.
You can share what you have.
No.
Ano to? Ano na naman to?
Huge crap.
Trade show. Kala ko, ano na eh. Ano yung tawag doon?
Garage sale.
Garage sale agad eh. Ay naku, tigil-tigil na yung garage sale na yan dari. Ito yung rentahan dito. Hoxton Estates.
We find the other one.
Na, 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 na.
Where's the other one?
Ala ni Kaden wala na siyang damit, iba pamigay lang. Baka maghuhubad ka na lang Kaden, papamigay na natin lahat ng damit mo. Natakot. Iyak siya. Yan tuloy. Hindi tuloy na ilagay. Ang lakas ng ano nitong batang to. Meron naman doon. Try natin.
This time I can.
What did you say? Loko ka! It will work na. We will help the children here.
No, I won't.
Anak, don't be like that, ha?
No, I don't want.
It will work now. Then we will buy your new clothes, right?
No, Kinder Joy.
Buy Kinder Joy, okay.
After Kinder Joy, we're gonna buy new clothes.
Yeah.
Why gotta send it to more kids here?
Yeah.
Why? No, no!
Says thank you. Okay.
Ganun lang.
Okay. Sabi ko kasi sa'yo eh. Sabi pa ni Daryl, mas malapit dito. Yan.
Mas
Yung
malapit
lapit mo.
doon.
Oo nga, mas malapit nga doon. Yung lapit mo, same lang din. Pupunta lang din naman tayo
May
dito.
sumira eh.
Ay, nakula eh.
Dinagbo kasi
I don't want to
mukhang
help the
naghahanap
other
ng
kids. I don't want to.
ibang ano eh.
I don't want to get the other kids, Mommy.
Eh di wala kang Kinder Joy. If you don't help other kids, eh di hindi rin kita bibigyan ng Kinder Joy. Hmm? That's the thing.
No, it's not the kid thing. Don't.
Oh, so you want to help, I'll give you Kinder Joy.
What the hell?
Yeah. If you give your clothes to other kids as well.
No, I do. But sometimes it will, but sometimes they will give it to the one house that doesn't have any kids.
No.
It will.
Dami mong alam, Kaden.
Yes.
Anong yes?
I will try to stop Daddy.
Oh, which? Oh. Whose house is this pala?
Which house?
Oh, andyan sila. Ikaw na magbigay.
No,
Para
don't,
hindi ako
don't,
maano.
Don't. Daddy, don't.
Why, Kaden?
Because you just give away all my clothes.
It's not the clothes. Ito naman. Oh, what will you say to ka-dreamers? Eh? Please?
They select. I don't know.
Please watch?
I want to go home and subscribe.
Okay. Where's Edding? He's sleepy.
One eternity later.